Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes. Anyway, I have some blueberry left over, which I want to do you guys a simple smoothie if you wake up in the morning and you want to have something for breakfast, or you just feel like you want to just change your diet in the morning with something smoothie to go inside of your system. So this is a recipe which I'm going to be sharing with you, so please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave a comment in the description box. My name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best to give you the best recipe in this whole entire world. Don't go anywhere, stay right there and watch more video with Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely. So basically, as I say, I have some blueberry left over right here, and I'm gonna do you guys a lovely smoothie in the morning. All right, so roughly about, I would say probably about quarter cups of blueberry. Just pour this straight inside of my Ninja blender, and I got a pack of oats which I want to put also inside of it. Nice one. I got this seeds that I normally use, and I'm just gonna introduce it to the seeds. It's very healthy and also good for if you're weight loss or detoxing. It's just some chia seed, superfood, very good in weight loss and detoxing. I'm gonna put a teaspoon of it to blend up also inside of it. Nice one. It's nice to put a little bit of cinnamon inside of it, and also you can put a little bit of mixed spice. If you have not the egg, you can put a lot of stuff in it, but I'm just gonna keep it simple with a nice lovely teaspoon of honey. I'm gonna use some semi-skim milk, which is really good to use more than any other highest milk, because this one is just low in fat. All right, cover it, and now we're gonna just put this to the blend to get that beautiful color. All right, guys. So you might say, Chef Ricardo, that's an easy recipe. Yeah, but an easy recipe, but it's just good to have ideas if you want to do something at home. All right. So yeah, why not make something for yourself? You know what I mean? In this time and days, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So let's blend. Nice one. So basically, I got my glass ready, and I'm gonna simple. Yeah. Oh, smells so lovely. You can smell that beautiful oats. I mean, if you wake up in the morning, you want to have yourself a nice, lovely glass, a smoothie. Look at that. That is fantastic and amazing, guys. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. I have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. As you can see, blueberry smoothie from Chef Ricardo recipe today. See you next time in the kitchen. Bye bye.